How to get 80% off DoorDash coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in DoorDash coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for DoorDash. This is a legit website where you're going to find all the genuine offers and deals. Just scroll down and check out the offers, 50% off, 40% off, 15% off and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then head towards the website of DoorDash, then log into your account, make your purchase and pass it to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. As in this website, you're going to find tons of offers for DoorDash. To use any of the offer, the process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can give a try to this one website, Groupon. This is a legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for DoorDash. So this way you can easily get up to 80% off DoorDash coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.